We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Canisflax Treadmill with handlebar. Consists of the following features. Compact, quiet, and powerful, the ideal treadmill for home and office. Take control of your fitness journey with this 2.5 HP motor treadmill, built to support users up to 300 pounds whether you're walking or running. It delivers consistent, reliable performance perfect for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Switch easily between workout modes to suit your needs and track your progress via a clear LED display. The included remote control lets you adjust speed and stop quickly, enhancing workout safety and convenience. Its silent, stable operation ensures a peaceful environment, while the space-saving design with a removable handrail makes it ideal for compact apartments or offices. Built-in wheels offer effortless portability, allowing you to stay active wherever you are. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.